Hello, I'm Miles Tyra, Director of Media at Gateway Counseling Center, and welcome to a short training video on how to use Google Meet to receive remote services from Gateway. As I go through the setup and training, feel free to pause this video anytime in between steps to follow along a little bit more easily. So due to the spread of coronavirus in New York, Gateway is going to start delivering some of its services remotely through video chat. It's very simple, but this video is always here for you in case you run into any problems. Now, on a side note, Google Meet is streaming video, so it's recommended you use Wi-Fi or another internet connection because streaming video can use up your mobile data pretty quickly. So first, I'm going to explain 3 ways of using Google Meet. Then I'll explain how to create a Google account if you don't already have one. And then I'll show you what it looks like to be inside a meeting and explain how to use some of Google Meet's features. You'll receive a message with a link and a phone number to a meeting. So here's the link, and this is the phone number. It's that simple. Here are the 3 ways you can join a meeting. On a laptop or desktop computer, on a regular landline or phone without internet, or a smartphone. The simplest way is with a laptop or desktop computer. As we covered, you just click this link, and it takes you directly to the meeting. There's no setup needed whatsoever. Okay. The next simplest is a regular phone without internet or mobile data. You dial the number for that meeting, which is this number right here. You put in this code right here, and then you're in. It's that simple. The next easiest way to use Google Meet is with a smartphone. If you have a Google account, like Gmail, it's just as easy as using a laptop. You first download the Google Hangouts Meet app from the App Store on either Apple or Android. I'm using Android, but that's neither here nor there. Search for Hangouts Meet, and it's the first option. Now you click Install. Once it's finished, you'll open the app, and you will have to grant the app permission to use your microphone and your camera. If you have a Google account, you will now choose the Google account you want to use. If you don't have a Google account, tap Add Account. Enter your security information on the next screen. Then follow the prompts to sign in as you normally would. If you don't have a Google account, when you tap the Add Account button, you're taken to this page with a Create Account button in the bottom left. You're going to choose that, and then choose the For Myself option. Now follow the prompts to create your Google account. Once you've created it, go back to the Meet app. Now you're ready to use the Meet app on your phone. Remember, you can always go to meet.google.com and then enter the name of the meeting that you received in an email, which you can always find by looking at the end of the link right here. So if I copy this, go back here, and I paste it, it brings me to the meeting. And remember, if you don't have internet access or if you're out of mobile data, you can always call the phone number the Gateway staff has sent along with the link to the meeting and participate that way. Now, once you're in the meeting, you have the option to turn on real-time closed captioning, which as of this recording only works for English. And on the side here, you have a chat box where you can type messages to everyone else in the chat. If you accidentally leave the meeting before it's over, it's easy to rejoin. Just click the link again, and you'll be right back in the meeting. So there you have it. You are now ready to use Google Meet to receive remote services from Gateway Counseling Center. I'd like to take a moment to thank you for trusting us, and just know that eventually things will go back to normal and you can meet with Gateway staff in person. Thank you.